Okay, we've got a 1999 Kawasaki KX60 that we're going to sell on Craigslist. We're also going to put it on Facebook. We'll go ahead and show you the bike. Like I say, it's $999. I'll go ahead and show you everything we've done to the bike. There's an exhaust on here that's anywhere from $250 to $300 exhaust. The plastics have been changed. They're all new plastics, new front fender, new back fender. Side plates were salvaged, but cleaned with plastic restoration product. The side plates are new as far as the sticker on the side plates. We had that done at Signs Now in Morristown. The seat cover has been put on, so there's been a new seat cover on it. Bike's been really cleaned up good. This piece here is new. This plastic piece here is new. The stickers were put on there, but the tank had not been cleaned, so it's going to need some stickers on the tank, which you can get the stickers that come on this tank for like $30. It's got new back brakes on it, new clutch and brake cables. The bike, we done 55 the other day with me on the motorcycle. My wife got behind me and clocked me at 55 with the four-wheeler. So, just give you some close-ups of the bike here. It's a good bike for a youth to get out and hit the track with. Carburetor's been cleaned, taken off and cleaned, soaked for a couple days, parts cleaner, and then we used carburetor cleaner and cleaned it, put it back together. The frame's been painted. We spent $100 on paint and clear coat. Painted the frame. We had the motor completely taped up, and we didn't get any overspray anywhere, so the frame really looks good. The sprocket's in good shape. Chain is in good shape. As you can see, the frame, it really turned out good. It really looks good. Okay, I'm going to ride the bike now. Start it up.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, it's a little powerhouse. It'll just about come out from under me. There was only a couple things that were left to do to the bike. The front brakes needs front brake pads. They're like 10 bucks. I can give you a website to go on and get the brake pads. The clutch inside of here is $34 at Rocky Mountain ATV for the plates. As you can see, the clutch is not doing anything. What I normally do is I normally just roll it off. I would have fixed the bike, but I'll show you another bike that I found, and just went ahead and bought it and restored it. But this one's been completely restored. This one's been completely restored. But we found Johnny a little KX65 that's a 2007, and I restored it. And as you can see, I have a 250 and a 125 KX. But this little bike here, I restored it, and I don't need this one now. But the parts, when I found this bike, I'd ordered the parts. They were already on the way. And then I seen this bike on Craigslist, and I went ahead and bought it. But someone's going to get a good little bike here. Like I say, all it needs is $35 spent for the clutch, $35, $40, $45 for the brake pads, and it also needs this little button right here, and they're $10. So 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 bucks, and you're going to be everything's going to be good on this bike. So thanks for tuning in. You can give me a call at 423-523-5178. That's 423-523-5178 if you're interested in the motorcycle for $999 or best offer. Thank you.